Welcome to the day in a life of an Episeedling PhD student. First, coffee. Then I changed from my normal clothes to my lab clothes. And then I am ready. Today I will be doing chip qPCR, which is an experiment for which I first did chip, and today I'm doing qPCR. I will do 2 qPCRs today to see 4 genes in total. If you would like more information about what chip qPCR is, I would love to refer you to the literature. This is my workspace I would like to show every one of you, and also this is my everyday cheerful audience. Now we need to go get some ice to keep the reagents cool and chilly. I have new primers that will help us see the genes, but they're coming from the manufacturer, so we have to dilute them. To dilute them, I am naming different Eppendorf tubes, and then I will be adding water to each one of them. And finally, I will add the primer from each manufacturer tube into our dilution tube, and then I will store them on ice until the end of this experiment. So now I'll show you how I have planned to divide these plates for this experiment. On the top part I will have my seedling chromatin, and in the bottom part I will have my seed chromatin. I have both my input and my immunoprecipitated samples for seedling and seed, and each 2 rows represent a gene that I will test. In each plate I will test for 2 genes, so it is the same gene for seedling and seed samples for input and immunoprecipitated chromatin. I will build a master mix, which is composed of cyber master mix with the corresponding primers and a little bit of water. This is a final plate. I have put the master mix in it, and also I have added the chromatin. I did not record that part because it is highly confusing and you have to pay a lot of attention. This is the room where we have the machine that will perform the qPCR for us. It's a light cycler. You open it up by pressing a button, and now you will see me struggle putting the qPCR plate in because it has sticky edges and they really don't seem to behave the way I want them to. So I keep struggling because if the plastic film comes off, the qPCR won't work. It will all evaporate. So we need to take care of those sticky edges to make sure that they are properly put inside the machine. Then this is our template for the qPCR reaction, and we just press start. Here I have already prepared my second plate and I have it covered because light affects it, while I examine the mountain of tips that I have to fill in. So in the meantime, while I wait to put in my second plate in, I will refill the tips that I have in my workspace. And this is not my favorite part, of course, of a work day, but it's something that everybody has to do. Then I also come upstairs to check our growth room, and you can see that we have lots of plants growing here, and some of them are dying, and because they're dying they have the bags covering them because as they die they release the seeds and we want to collect the seeds. These are some baby plants that we have. And in this chamber the light and the humidity and the temperature is all controlled, so we can pretend that they're growing happily in the fields, but with just very controlled conditions so we can replicate experiments when we need to. This is our watering can, and we just use tap water to water them. And when I came up, everything seemed in order, so I didn't have to water them. And then I was ready to go check and collect the data from the first plate reaction, and then I will just put the second one in. I will first take the first one out. I really enjoy how it makes bubbles, and I usually just push them all back in because I enjoy that. Then we can see the data from the first one that was finished, and we just put the second one back in, again with the template, start the run. And that's it, we got our second reaction. My goal of the day is done, and thank you everyone.